Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. Today's video is the first of an 11-part mini-series designed to give beginners like you quick tips that you can implement right now to start working smarter and not harder. The first tip I'm going to share with you is how to freeze your top row of cells. Say you have a table of data that you're scrolling through. As soon as you scroll down, you lose sight of the header cells. This is especially painful when working with a lot of numbers. To freeze your header row, click on the View tab on your ribbon, and under the Window group, you'll see a button that says Freeze Panes. When you click on that button, you'll see three options: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. To freeze your header row, simply click Freeze Top Row, and voila! Your header row is frozen and doesn't disappear when you scroll down. If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter, not harder.